Children, children, let's study about active and passive related to past indefinite tense. In affirmative sentence of past indefinite tense, active voice is subject, second form of verb plus object, and in passive voice, object plus one out of was and where plus V3 plus by plus subject. As a I broke my slate. Look at the board here. Subject is I, second form of verb broke, and object is my slate. Let's change this into passive voice. My slate is singular noun, therefore was broken by I is changed into me. This sentence was in active and this sentence is in passive. Take one other example. Meera helped her sister yesterday. Look at the board here. This sentence is in active voice. Meera is subject. Second form of verb is helped and object is her sister. Let's change this into passive. Her sister will be written here. Her sister is singular, therefore was helped by Meera yesterday. Helped by Meera yesterday. This sentence is changed from active to passive in this way. If the sentence is in negative, then sentence is did plus not plus given plus object. And in passive, we will write not after helping verb. He did not buy a book in market. Subject is he, did not, object is a book. Let's change into passive. A book, singular noun, was, third form of was not, object is a book, one out of was where was, not, V3 by, third form of by is bought, by, here subject is changed will be changed into him. Remaining words in market. This sentence is in active and this sentence is in passive. She did not write a letter to her father. This sentence is in also in active voice. Let's change this in passive. A letter is object. A letter was written by her to her father. This object was where one out of one was Third form, by, subject is her, and remaining words her father. Thus, we can change a negative sentence inactive into passive. You have one other sentence also in negative when never is used. This sentence is also negative, and you will write then na and never in place of not. Radha booked 2 rooms for a function. This sentence is in passive voice. Subject is Radha. Sorry, never booked 2 rooms for function. Here object is 2 rooms. 2 rooms. 2 rooms. Plural. Therefore, where never booked by Radha. Remaining words for function. This is active and this passive. Take one other example. They never built a house in city. This object is house. A house, signal noun, was never. Third form, built by, subject is them, in a city. This sentence is inactive and this sentence is in passive. Thus you can change an active sentence into passive. This sentence is based on negative. Let's start now. Interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. In interrogative, you will find first did plus subject plus first form of verb plus object in active voice and was where plus object plus V3 plus by plus subject plus remaining words passive. This sentence is in passive. Did you like the story in book? In book. Kitab, book. This sentence is inactive. Did subject V1 object. The story is object. Therefore, was the story. Third form liked. You is never changed. Remaining words in book. This sentence is in passive. If you have a question word before this sentence, you will write down the question word same as how. I write the example. How did she help The handicapped. Handicapped. The question is how, therefore question will be remain same. And one out of was where the handicapped is a third is a singular noun. Therefore was the handicapped is object. Help is third form. By her. This is in active interrogative sentence. This is in passive interrogative sentence. Thus you can change an interrogative sentence of past indefinite tense into passive. Let's start some other examples based on interrogative. Sometimes you will find who plus V2 plus object inactive. This is also an interrogative sentence. Here you will write in place of question word by whom. By whom. WHOM. And by and subject will be removed. Remaining words will same. As who abused the photographer in village. The question is who, therefore first of all you will write by whom and was or where. Photographer is singular, therefore was photographer. Abused is third form and remaining words in village. Take one other example. Who taught English to you yesterday. The question is who, therefore by whom. Was objective English taught to you yesterday. This sentence is in passive, this sentence is in active. The active sentence has changed into passive. In the same way, this sentence is active and this sentence is passive. Thus, interrogative finishes here. In interrogative, you will find